Hello, good day. I am Dr. Cool. Welcome back to another interesting edition. Today, I want to review a product with you guys, and this very product was sent to me by Light. Light that's a brand that decided to do something different, and they are doing it in a way that is so impressive. And this is going to be the second product which I'm going to be unveiling, reviewing in my channel. So if you look at it critically, it hasn't been opened before. So I'm gonna be unveiling it right now. And that's the seal. That's the seal. So if you put it in such a way that you can actually open this without breaking the seal. And I just put it. Let's try to put it back. No, they don't fit back. That's impressive. Let me go ahead and let's open it. Wow. The card is called "Thank you for being part of Life family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy." Thank you. It comes with a user manual. Oh my goodness. I don't think the Gen Z are gonna read this, but Gen Zs are gonna take this. You know about it. Okay, it comes with a standard Type-C cable, and it looks very, very stodgy and quality. Seriously, piece. This is quality, nothing but absolute quality. So you see kind of we have a Type A on the other head and Type C on the other head. So one goes straight into your, be it your car charger or your home electric car charger. And wow, these look very, very tiny. Damn, it's gonna be like an atom. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So you can clip it. Okay, so this is the Oclip. Yes. Wow, I didn't even have to look at the name to know that it is actually the Oclip. So you press it here, and you are good to go. So let's try to on it. Oh, it sounds like it's flat or something. Okay, let me get a power bank. You can see if I'm gonna put it on. So what happened? Seemed like okay, it came in the position where it actually was where before it got to me. Oh, this is oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. The charging port even has, can you hear that? Christ. This product is meticulously crafted. That is just a port where you plug the USB Type-C that locks in like a vault. You guys can hear it click right there. I can do this all video. So let's take a look at it. Low, for the record, I don't know. You see, it has tray mode, and this is good. You know, one thing I'm actually trying to do when I have a product like this to review is I want to see how I can be able to fiddle with it and tinker with it without having to look at the manual and see how I can be able to understand it, to see how user-friendly it is, because that is really what every good product is all about. You should have the capability of, flexibility for you to understand how to operate it without having to go through all these manuals, right? So, and I was able to power it on even without going through the manual. I did this very video. It's not by mistake. No, I didn't script it. I didn't even go through any procedure. So here, it's already working. Now, the reality there is that it has tray mode, and the tray mode right there is different. So, and to power it on, you gotta push the center button where it flashes when you are charging it. So let me close the charging port area. That just make me feel, okay, let me switch to the other side. You can see the center mode is actually the center. So, and we get the, wow, see that. So pretty much that's it. When the red light comes on, it actually emits a certain green light right here, while the rest are not actually emitting any light. So it's so portable, and you clip it. Let's say you're doing something, it's not something that you're doing something in the dark that you would need someone to help you hold the flashlight. This is where this very cute guy comes into play. You guys can see it right now. Let me shift the mic a little bit. You can see it right here. So you can literally clip it anywhere. I'm so impressed. The level of work, which was actually level of energy and resources that they put into crafting this is Mind-blowing. Seriously. The field, the torch, everything is well engineered, meticulously engineered. And the power is off. So in reality, from my own finding here, you cannot use the tree light at the same time. For most of you who want to go excited and do something different, you can use the tree light at the same time. You're always gonna make one decision at a time, which is choosing which one depend on. And once you're done, you just press and hold the center button. Oh, there. Damn, what did I just did? It even gets more crazier. The more I go, what did I just do right now? I was about to shut it down and I depressed it and boom, it just did like as if it's turbo kicked in. This is, because I was like, I have read about this very product before. It has a very powerful flawed light, and this light was seeming like as if maybe, okay, wow. Okay, so you press it on, it comes on. You press it off, it goes off. I guess that's the reason why I have to read the user manual first. Now, but I still like the feeling which I'm feeling with it, because that's actually gonna speak more, which I've told you guys about. Now let me press and hold it. Oh, press and hold. It reduces the light illumination. Press and hold. It increases a little bit. Press it again. So it has 3 modes setting in, boosting the. You can't imagine this very little thing here shining so bright, so powerfully. This is unbelievable. It's so heavy. It's heavy actually. It's heavy like, you know, like a tank. Okay, so let me reduce it. Just push and hold it down for a longer period, let's say like 2 seconds, and the light changes. So let me switch to this side and see if it's, oh, it's the same thing. Wow. So the more you hold it down for like 1 second, it increases the power of the illumination. Look at it. This is incredible. Amazing. Now let me try it with a red light, and to shut it off, you just need to press it once. Now let's try the red light. Does it do the same? Yeah. Oh, okay. When you push it, hold it down for like a second, it will start flashing. Yeah, I get it. SOS. A very good SOS if your car breaks down. So this is a first to reckon with, guys. Let me hold it down again and see what happens. It goes steady, but it doesn't go too bright. Okay, guys, this is a very wonderful product. A serious one. A very, very wonderful product. It exceeds what I'm actually looking at when we talk about quality. When you speak quality, when you talk about a well-crafted, not even to talk about how they wear some sort of a very cool writings that this company are telling you. Seriously. I wonder what they could actually do if they go into doing power bank or smartphone, because most of the products which I've seen, they are all as you know, military grade. Yeah, no wonder why they do a lot of product for military. So those are the kind of people we need in the smartphone industry to make smartphones that doesn't drop and, you know, you start crying, you lose your stake. I wish all this could actually go into becoming old phone. I wouldn't mind, you know, to do something quality like this. This is something that is so hard for Samsung to do. Although they did it on their X7 Active and S8 Active, but that's where it ends. The rest are just gimmicks. Apple never done it before. I've never even seen another company who did it. So thank you, Oclip, for sending me this very incredible product. I'm so proud to own one of it. And for you, my esteemed audience, this is a lifesaver. It is a small but mighty product. Incredible. I've never seen anything like it. The previous ones which I actually reviewed in my channel is more bigger, but the output of this very tiny clip of light here, this old clip, is incredible. You wouldn't understand what I'm saying until when you hold it in your hand, see how stodgy and heavy it feels. You don't understand that? No. You don't make a fake product and it has a lot of, you know, have you seen this kind of place about Twitter where maybe you need to search it, and they do the same on the series. So this is that incredible product at a fraction of the cost. I'll be putting the link below this video description here, so go ahead and grab one. It's not expensive, and one day it's gonna save you when your car or your bike or you're cycling and you break down the road. They make it so portable so that you won't even have any need to complain. That's why it is very small but mighty. The output is incredible. I mean, I didn't expect it's gonna throw out that much powerful. I can really look at it. I mean, why the floodlight was really on. It was actually really a floodlight. Pardon me for not reading the manual. That is actually the standard of today. But you guys have actually seen the overall test that I didn't read the manual and I was able to scale through different, things it does, and I was able to even operate it even without using the manual. And that's a cool thing. So, but if you are not, if you can do it like I did, no problem. The manual is here, and it goes into a lot of descriptions right there. So a lot. But the diagrams, water resistant temperature, the battery, it has about 580 amps battery. Now, before I go, guys, let me read out the specs, right? And like I said, you see, I don't know, I kind of have that vivid imagination. I told you guys when I pushed it, it kicked in like a turbo, and it does actually have the turbo mode. So let me open it. I just want to go through a quick run through the specs. So first, the floodlight has about 500 lumens, and it can last between 1 minute to 50 minutes. That's cool. And that's on the turbo mode, right? Why on the high side? That's when you turn it to the high. Oh, now I get it. It actually had about 4 different modes. Seriously? On the low mode, which is about 10 lumens, it can go up to 27 hours. Think about that for a second. Why on the medium mode, which is going to be emitting about 100 lumen, why not low lumen? It's going to last about 3 hours, 30 minutes. And when you go on a high range, it's going to give you about 300 lumens. It's going to go from 1 minute to 100 minutes, which is practically, no, it's not enough. That's 100 minutes. Then when you hit the turbo mode, which is going to give you 500 lumen, it's going to go from 1 minute to 50 minutes. That's incredible. And if we look at also the specs of the floodlight, this has about 5.7 to 650K. And the cool white light, the spotlight, the CC, it's like a 5.7. I'm sorry, I am not just that big tech savvy guy, so I'm just reading things out the way it should be. The cable length, every other thing is right there. But be my guest. I know a lot of you out there will not even read this. You're only gonna read it when you run into problems. Yes. So guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, it's a product to reckon with, and you are not gonna be disappointed. I'm also gonna be reviewing more on the product that is coming. So stay tuned. If you like portable device that is highly quality, the quality is not messed up with, then you wanna roll with Oclip. It's Oclip or nothing when it comes to lighting up your home. Oh, I know a lot of you guys have seen this. This actually came from Madison Park. Incredible. Those there, so you can go ahead and grab one. It is inexpensive actually. I'm gonna be making a drop tests about it later on. So if you want to see that drop test, comment in the comment section. Go ahead and watch the video where I review it and drop your comments and let's see what happens. So thank you Oclip for sending me this very product. This is my own honest review. I didn't really go much into it and go details. But the little I've done to see if you guys, because I know I've wasted some time, should be enough to actually make you have overview experience of what this very small but mighty Oclip Pro is like. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye for now.